Question number 10 is about a polarizer. So it's polarized at the left hand side. After passing through the polarizer X, it becomes a vertically polarized. Because of polarizer Y is horizontal, so low light can be transmitted. So it said that if we put a polarizer Z at V position, what will still low light transmitted? Which position of Z can be placed? So assume Z is an inclined polarizer. So think about it. If this thing still happen, vertically, horizontal, perpendicular, and still low light transferred. Okay. First, if Z is placed before it, what will happen? It will have an inclined polarizer here, but still after passing through X, still vertical, so still no light transfer. So when it is at position 1, okay. How about between X and Y? And then if we place here, you remember the theory, right? The vertically polarized light becomes inclined, and the inclined polarized light can pass through part of it to the horizontal polarized light. So some light will pass through. It is classical, remember. Vertical, inclined, and then some pass through horizontally. So for this part, light will be transmitted. So for this part, it's low. How about after polarizer set, right? Okay, will be placed here. Of course, no use, right? No lights pass through, so no matter what polarizer you place here, still no lights pass through. So set. So Y is okay. After polarizer, Y is okay. So what is the answer? Yes, B, 1 and 3 only. Thank you for your support, okay? I'll keep working hard on it. See you.